Warli is a traditional folk art of Maharashtra. Only with the white pigment it is being painted on the surface of the wall covered by the mixture of mud and cow dung cakes. Geometrical shapes and spiral lines are the main beauty of Warli. Today I am trying to give the Warli a contemporary approach by making it colorful. So let's start. First you have to tape the paper like this. With the help of a circular shape, you have to make a circle over here, a very light line like this. Using the geometrical form, I am making human figure in Warli style. Line should be little more dark because we have to paint over it. The girl figure, a bunch of hairs here. Pot on the head. And small boy or girl, whatever you want to make. And a tree, just like this. Branches. You can draw a small animal over here. Same technique. Body. Head. And legs. This is the tail. I have taken 3 shades for the color of the background. One is red, orange and yellow. You have to put little more Fevicol in each color. And mix it. Consistency of water and color like this. Not too much liquid, not too much solid. Fevicol add is very necessary because whenever we are putting the foreground color, it will not mix with the background color. Now see carefully what to do. First I am doing yellow color and I am not touching the boundary line of the sun. Do just like this. Before dry the colors, you just put some water in a small brush and do like this and maintain the proper boundary line of the sun. Orange color, don't let the color dry Put the orange color first. And do like this. See, I am not mixed yet the two colors. Taking another brush and mix it like this. Again dip the brush in the water and you will get a smooth mixture. See, same process has to be followed for the red also. See how I am doing. For the red it is very easy to mix. With yellow and orange it will be little difficult. You have to do like this till last end of the paper. Don't forget to color the boundary part also. Like this, don't leave the space white. Let the picture dry for a few minutes. Picture is dry now. We have to make the dress colorful. Just like this. No need to add Fevicol in this color. Different color you can use to make the dress colorful. And see, background color is not mixing with the foreground color. You have to do it very neatly. Small part is being painted with a small brush. Many color you can use to make the dress colorful. For the boy figure, I am using this pattern, leaving this space blank. I am applying another color. Just like this. I am doing the small figure. You have to be very careful about one color not should be mixed with another. Do it like this very carefully. Pot should be little more decorated. The rest of the part should be brown. This bucket should be painted as brown. Finishing line have to do it with black outline. It should be very neat. Take a pointed brush and with black color you have to do the line. Don't use sketch pen. Brush line you have to do. Just like this. Animal is going to be black also. All the figures' head should be black, a complete black. Tree also will be black like this. First you have to do the outline part and then fill it with black. Leaves have to do like this. Take a small pointed brush and just like this, see, and first I'm drawing this side. After doing the one side, you have to do another side like this. Do it very neatly, otherwise it will not look nice. It's like this, see how I'm doing. This side you have to do like this. White color is required for the finishing line. Very thin line have to given like this, see. You can use dot also. All the work should be very neat. I'm using the band like this. Bangles over here. In the animal we are also using white. In the tree I am using this pattern, this lines. Making flower like this. Open the tape in this direction, just like this. This is the complete look of your picture. See how worldly takes its contemporary look. Okay children, do it neatly. Thank you.